Looking for a great ergonomic office chair with an awesome back support? Check out this one from Newtral. It has a lumbar support that chases you. Hi, this is David at Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out this feature-rich ergonomic home office chair from Newtral. The model number is NT002. It's not only a good chair for work, it has a special feature for relaxing as well. The chair came in a big brown box. It did come in various large pieces, so some assembly is required. The pieces are well protected. There is a clear instruction booklet, and I like how the screws and the Allen wrench tool came well packaged and clearly labeled. Let's put the chair together. First, the special auto-following lumbar support is attached to the back with these two screws. Newtral includes two caps to cover up these screws. Very nice. Then assemble the seat bottom with the 4 screws. Next, attach the 2 armrests. They're clearly labeled left and right, and there are 3 screws to fasten on each side. Then attach the back to the seat with 3 screws. For the base, push the wheels into the base from the bottom. Next, put on the gas lift. Then insert the seat bottom on top of the gas lift. This is the heaviest part, so it may help to have another person help you. Lastly, insert the headrest. Took me about 20 minutes with all the filming too. Not hard at all. The chair is solid, mostly black, except for this nice orange accent on the special lumbar support. More on that soon. And the chrome aluminum alloy base. Looks like it means business. Sleek and modern. The headrest, the back, and the lumbar support have this comfortable and elastic mesh. It offers good support while allowing air to pass through, so my back won't get too hot. The seat bottom is thick, very nicely cushioned. It's firm and not too soft. Very comfortable to sit on. There's a little Newtral logo in an orange accent on the side. The base is made of this chrome color aluminum alloy, very durable, and it gives the chair a more premium look. I like how the chair is very adjustable. Starting from the top, the angle of the headrest can be rotated about 30 degrees. It can also move up and down simply by pulling it up or pushing it down. The back height can be adjusted. There are 4 levels. Just pull the back up to go from one level to another. Each one is about 1 centimeter high. At the top level, pull it up one more time will drop the back to the lowest level. With this lever on the right side, the depth of the seat can be adjusted backward and forward. With this middle lever on the right, the seat height can be adjusted up or down. The armrest can be adjusted 4 ways. Lift this lever on the side for up and down. You could pull it forward or backwards. You could twist it left or right. And press this middle button on the inside to move the armrest in and out. Great to have all the options. I do wish the adjustments could be a bit smoother. The seat can tilt up to about 136 degrees. The tilting function is very smooth. With this lever in the back on the left-hand side, the tilt can be locked at various angles. I could sit up straight or lean back and relax. The tension on the tilt can be adjusted with this round black knob on the bottom of the seat. What's special about this chair is there's a footrest hidden underneath the seat. When needed, it just pulls out and flips up. I can just lean back and put my feet up whenever I need a quick break from all the typing, staring at the monitor, and just relax a bit. It's also very nice to listen to music in this position with the feet up. Of course, the most unique feature of this chair is the back support that chases you. Can't miss it. It's the auto-following lumbar support that has an orange accent. The lumbar support goes in and out as the back moves. The tension can be adjusted by this big orange knob in the back. In the plus direction clockwise for more tension, and the minus direction counterclockwise for less tension. It could also be locked in place with this black switch on the bottom of the cylinder. This auto-following lumbar support has worked very effectively for me this past month. It provides me support when I changes my posture throughout the day, when I sit up more sometimes and lean back into the chair other times. My back has been very comfortable and happy with this chair. The Newtral NT002 Ergonomic chair usually costs about $550, but there's a good discount from time to time in the links I'll put in the description below. At the time of this video, it's $100 off. If you're looking for a good home office chair that can provide a uniquely good back support, one that chases after you, the Newtral NT002 is worth your consideration. It has a reasonable price, solid, made with a good quality mesh back, and a comfortable cushioned seat. Has all the adjustments needed and even a hidden footrest for relaxing. What's the most comfortable home office chair you've tried? I'd love to hear what it is in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Thanks for Newtral for sending this out for me to try and share with you.